So hey, what's up guys, I go by the name Soji Gray and I've been using the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra for a while now, and I must tell you, there are a ton of exciting features on the S21 Ultra, and I kind of understand why Samsung calls this the Ultra device. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you my top features on this guy, and without talking so much, let's jump right into it. So the first obvious feature of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is its design. Obviously, this is an impressive design, something we've not seen on the market, and I must say I really love the approach. It has a very nice metal frame that kind of blends into the camera section. So I really love this design and it makes it feel very premium. Now at the back and the front of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, we have Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Now this is Corning's latest glass technology, so definitely this device is much more durable and tougher as compared to previous models. I also like the finish at the back. It kind of looks like a frosted finish, so it's this matte frosted black finish which kind of prevents you from smudging your device, which is a good thing. Now this color is called Phantom Black and I love it. It's my favorite, but also we have here the Phantom Silver. It comes in some other colors, but so far these two are my favorite colors. Now the next thing I want to talk about will be this beautiful display. Now this is a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display, and I must say it gets really bright, up to 1500 nits, which is an amazing thing. And I love the fact that this also has an adaptive refresh rate, so you can have a refresh rate from 10 Hz up to 120 Hz. And the good thing is that you can crank up the resolution of the screen to Quad HD Plus and enjoy 120 Hz unlike before. And because this also has adaptive refresh rates, it's not going to take a toll on your battery, because when you have the device not in use, it's just going to run between 10 Hz or something of that sort. But if you're using it and you want to do something intensive, it can switch back to 120 Hz, so you don't have, the screen always on 120 Hz to run the battery. And I really love this implementation. And I mean, Quad HD Plus on this device is amazing. This without a doubt is the best display on the market right now. So moving on from the display, I want to touch on the fingerprint sensor. This fingerprint sensor is truly amazing. It is faster and slightly larger than its predecessor, and I must say, when unlocking this device, I never had any issues unlocking it, and you can easily just find it at the bottom half of the screen, and once you click it, it unlocks with speed, which is an amazing thing. One of the most exciting features on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra would definitely be the cameras, not only the hardware but the software as well. Now these cameras pack a ton of features that I'm going to run you through. The first camera feature I definitely love is going to be Director's View. With Director's View, you can shoot on all 5 cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra at once. So the front camera and the 4 back cameras. And you can shuffle between these cameras with ease whilst you are shooting in real time, which is an amazing thing. I mean, think about it. You can use this to shoot an actual music video. Maybe I'll try that, but not in this one. Maybe in another video. If you guys want to see that, I'm going to do that for you. Now the next camera feature I would want to touch on revolves around the 2 zoom lenses at the back of the S21 Ultra. We have a 3x zoom and we have a 10x zoom. So imagine if you're shooting from the normal mode and you want to go from the normal mode to 3x, you're going to enjoy some sharp photos or videos thanks to the fact that it has an actual optical zoom at 3x. Also, if you're shuffling between 3x to 10x, you're also going to enjoy some sharpness or some detail when you're shooting whatever you're shooting, be it photo or video. Now from 10x you can do 100x zoom, which is very sharp as well. Now at 100x, what I realized with the S20 Ultra is that sometimes keeping track of what you're shooting at 100x can be very difficult, but thanks to some improvements made on the S21 Ultra, once you're shooting at 100x, it's able to automatically detect what you're trying to shoot, and it would help you stabilize whatever you're shooting, which is an amazing thing. And my last favorite feature on the cameras of the S21 Ultra is going to be in Pro Video mode. If you happen to have the Galaxy Buds Pro, the Galaxy Buds Live, you can use those as microphones when recording Pro Video. So supposing the device is not close to you, you can actually use the microphones on your earbuds to record audio directly into the video you're shooting. So that is a cool feature to have, and you can also record audio from both the phone and the microphone at the same time, so you don't lose audio quality whatsoever. And I really love this implementation. pretty cool. Now off to my next favorite feature. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra supports 25 watt fast charging, and this has a 5000 milliamp hour battery. It also can charge wirelessly at 15 watts, and finally you can charge maybe other accessories or even phones on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra thanks to wireless power share at 4.5 watts. So I mean, when it comes to the charger department, it has a ton of features that you can benefit from. So be it charging someone's phone, charging your accessory, maybe like your earbud, in my case will be the Galaxy Buds Pro, or even charging the device itself, you are sorted. You don't have any issues at all when it comes to power management. When it comes to connectivity, the S21 Ultra has a ton of features as well. So it supports Wi-Fi 6E. So if you have a router that supports Wi-Fi 6E, you can enjoy impressive speeds when it comes to Wi-Fi. And also the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra supports ultra wideband features that you can use for, you know, faster and more secured device to device transfers. And I mean, you can also use it to unlock your car. So if you have a supported car, you can use your device to unlock your car, which is an amazing thing. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra I have with me is powered by the Exynos 2100 chipset, and I mean, it's an impressive chipset when it came to gameplay and, you know, navigating through the UI, using the device and everything. It was smooth. I didn't have the phone overheating when I was running multiple apps. And I mean, my usage with this device has been good, especially charging the device 100% and coming back home after a full day with, I mean, I know myself, I use the phone a ton of times, but I come home with about 40%. It's pretty impressive. This is a great chipset coupled with a 5000 milliamp hour battery. You can use this device close to 2 days and even more depending on, you know, the way you use your device. So I forgot to mention this, but the S21 Ultra now supports the S Pen. So all the features we enjoyed on the Note line can be enjoyed on the S21 Ultra thanks to the S Pen. They have the S Pen for sale separately. I think they have the S Pen and they have the S Pen Pro that you can get and use on the S21 Ultra. So that is something to keep in mind. In conclusion, I must say the S21 Ultra is impressive. It checks everything out, from the battery department to the display to the cameras to the performance. This is a champ in every department, and I truly love this device. Let me know what you think about the S21 Ultra down in the comment section below. I go by the name Soji Gray, and I'll catch you guys in another one. Peace out.